guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be drawing a rabbit, and the material we will need is a permanent marker and a thin Sharpie for the details for the eyes, and then we'll need a brown, and the brown is gonna be for the colors like your rabbit can be white or black, and then we'll need pink for the tongue. So let's get started. You're gonna take out your permanent marker and we're gonna start drawing the head. So let's start drawing the head right about here. Okay, now we're gonna start drawing the ears. So just draw sort of like a curved raindrop, and it has to be very long, just like that. And we're gonna draw a smaller one inside. There. Now for this one, it's gonna be sort of like covered, like drooping. So we're gonna draw like the letter P, but we're not gonna be touching over here. And we're gonna come over here and we're gonna bring it in so it becomes skinnier. And then now we're gonna draw the two lines again. And then after that, we're gonna draw the two circles for the eyes. And then now we're gonna draw an upside down triangle for the nose. And we're gonna work on the eyes later. And we're gonna draw two long curves. And then to make the bunny look happy, we're gonna draw this. And then we're gonna make a line in the middle. That's like the teeth. And then after that, we're gonna start working on the eyes because it looks a little creepy right now. So just draw a line and another. And we're gonna draw two circles inside. Now let's color them in. And then after that, we're gonna start drawing the body, like the stomach and stuff. So you can simplify your feet, but I'm gonna draw mine a little more harder, technically. So we're just gonna draw two curves, just like that. And we're gonna draw two semicircles. And then we're gonna and we're gonna connect them just like that. And now we're gonna draw the big fat stomach thing. So it's like the stomach. And now for the hands, just draw this long line and we're gonna make it curve and it's gonna come in. So do the same with the other side. And now we're gonna draw like two lines. And then now we're gonna draw the tail. So then now we are done with that. So the pink, if you drew, instead of teeth, you could have drew the mouth. So if you were drawing the mouth, you might have colored that in pink, but I'm gonna color this in pink. And the rest of it, I'm gonna do it brown. So this is how your rabbit should look like at the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!